Give me the next 2 minutes and I'm gonna explain exactly how you can burn an extra 500 calories a day without moving a muscle or decreasing your calories. Again, I know this sounds like, oh, what's this guy trying to pitch us? No. This is scientifically sound. I'm going to show you the science of it. And when I show you this, your mind is going to be blown, man. 500 extra calories a day literally means 5 pounds extra per month. Literally, you don't even need to move a muscle, right? So, burning calories, that's a picture. That's me. I used to, look fat as... I can't swear. I mean, I can. Fuck. I just swore, so fuck you. Right? Looking slim. So this is who I am. I lost over 100 pounds, and now I train people. So if you're not fitting your clothes, you finally want to get lean, you finally want to fit into your clothes, I'm doing 40% off on my coaching packages. So if you want to lose around 20 pounds or so within the next 3 months or so, check out the links below. I do have my transformation packages. They will be linked below. So if you're interested in losing some fat the most efficient, fastest way with one-to-one accountability, check out the links below. And now let's get into the video. We all heard about the thermic effect of food, right? The YouTubers and stuff talk about it. But what you never think about is that, let's say you eat 1,000 calories of protein, right? Let's write this down. Now, if you look at this thermic effect of food chart, protein, its thermic effect is 25 to 30%. This means that if you eat 1,000 calories of protein, you're only going to digest 750 calories of it, right? If you eat 1,000 calories of carbs, that's gonna, so you're probably gonna get around 950 calories. And if you eat 1,000 calories of fat, well, you're gonna digest around 970 calories of it. Does that make sense? So in a way, this means that if we just increase our protein, right, we're literally by default gonna burn around, at least from this carbs number, at least like around 250 or 150 less calories, right? If we just increase our protein and do nothing else, we will burn at least per day around 100 to 200 extra calories, right? And here's the thing, we can eat more than 1,000 calories of protein, but so here's what we do. Let's say we eat 1,000 calories on a diet, right? And usually people say eat gram per pound of protein, but if you just increase it to 60% protein or 50% protein, we like super increase our protein, which is like 2 birds in 1 stone, because protein, as we know, is the most satiating macronutrient there is, right? So if we just make this change, not only are we going to burn more calories, we are also going to be less hungry on a diet. Wow, that's amazing. So the next trick that's going to add around 150 to 300 more calories in our diet without doing anything is basically going to be spamming caffeine. Because when we take caffeine, it's going to stimulate our central nervous system and release adrenaline. I'm not going to go too much into the science of it, but basically caffeine, scientifically, it is proven that caffeine boosts metabolic rate. It also amplifies thermogenesis, as we've shown before. So for example, protein, let's say, instead of burning 750, we'll get like 700, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna get too much in science because this is a quick video, but this just means that the more caffeine that we take, the more calories that we burn, right? Plus, okay, what does coffee do? Blunts our hunger. So if we just do these simple adjustments in our diet, we will literally be less hungry and we will burn more calories. Wow, that's 2 birds with 1 stone. Now, a caffeine pill has around 100 to 200 milligrams of caffeine, or like a coffee has around 100. That is not enough. So the best trick that we can do, like without fucking up our sleep. Now again, you need to test this on yourself. For example, me, I cannot do this. If I just take 200 milligrams of caffeine, I literally have so much energy. I want to climb walls. I'll become like a 3-year-old on cereal and crack. So I can't do this. I just go insane. I have so much energy, like you can tell from this video, right? But if you have caffeine tolerance, here's what you do. You wake up and then you take around 100, 200 milligrams of caffeine every hour for 6 hours straight, right? Now, this could be a bit dangerous on certain people, but it is worth experimenting with. and basically start with 100 milligrams at first, and then try to increase the dose. So don't just start with 200 milligrams in one go, like by default. That's dangerous, right? Don't start with this, but have 100 grams of caffeine every hour, or like a cup of coffee every hour. And then once you see, oh, alright, I'm not getting fucked up, increase it to 200 milligrams. And just by doing this, you're gonna burn around 150 to 300 extra calories per day without doing nothing. So boom, there you go. Scientifically, I'm burning you 500 extra calories per day. Now, if you need more tricks, man, if you need more tips, if you need smart shit so that you can finally fucking get rid of that fat gut of yours, you can finally, like, you know, start socializing again. Stop being afraid of asking out that cute girl or cute guy that you're looking, you know, stop feeling so insecure in your own skin, man. Stop fucking, you know, scared of wearing jeans and shit. You want to finally live life as your true self, as your lean self. Check the links below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.